5 miles an hour, becoming light south winds in the afternoon. Chance of rain 70%.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Butler, southeastern Franklin, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near St. Charles, moving northeast at 5 miles an hour.
Wow.
Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. The severe thunderstorm will affect mainly rural areas of southeastern Franklin and southwestern Butler counties, including Nixonville, St. Charles, Riley, Lehigh, McGonigal, and Millville. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Is the